I have discovered and compiled 17 simple work-from-home jobs that require no prior experience. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's dive into it with the first job on the list, which is an appraisal coordinator. This role involves managing and scheduling appointments for field assistants, primarily in the insurance and real estate industries. An interesting fact about the real estate industry is that approximately 1 in 10 Americans have sold their homes due to paranormal activity. Appraisal coordinators earn between $53,000 and $76,000 per year, which is quite a decent salary. EXL is currently hiring for this position. Strong communication skills, good organizational skills, and basic tech proficiency are necessary, along with some knowledge of the real estate industry. This job is relatively easy to land with no prior experience, earning it a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is the position of an internet rater. This role involves ensuring the accuracy and relevance of search engine or social media results. Companies like Google, Bing, and Facebook hire individuals for this purpose to enhance user search experiences. The average salary for this job is approximately $887,000 per year, with some positions paying between $132,000 and $247,000 per year. This job offers great potential both at entry level and higher positions. Overall, the internet rater position is excellent, earning a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Although some companies may have mixed reviews, many people have found these jobs satisfactory. You can explore openings for internet raters, with companies like TELUS offering similar roles. Next is the role of a remote recruiter, which involves screening and sourcing candidates for various roles within companies. These companies range from startups to large corporations. This position is accessible for those without previous experience and offers a great introduction to the HR and recruitment fields. Remote recruiters typically earn between $78,000 and $138,000 per year, making it a highly lucrative job that is relatively easy to enter. To succeed in this role, you need excellent communication skills, strong search abilities, basic tech skills, and an eye for detail. I rate this job 9 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next, we have the Remote Life Coach Associate. This role involves assisting in professional and personal development, typically working with coaching firms or independent life coaching contractors. The life coaching industry is worth about $3 billion, and life coaches earn between $79,000 and $143,000 per year. Although some life coaches may seem a bit eccentric, this profession can be valuable. I give this role a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is the position of a remote telephone interviewer, which involves conducting surveys over the phone for market research, and, in some cases, working with polling agencies. This job is akin to being a detective of public opinion, uncovering truths, one call at a time. It is ideal for someone who enjoys conversation and values flexibility while working from home. Telephone interviewers typically earn between $34,000 and $50,000 per year. To excel in this role, you need to have clear communication skills, basic computer skills, and attention to detail when noting responses. This job is easy to land, though it may not be a long-term career for most people, as many find conducting surveys or polls tedious. I rate this job 7 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next is the role of a remote insurance agent. This person assists clients in choosing the best insurance policies for their needs and provides ongoing support. These roles are typically offered by insurance companies or independent agencies. Essentially, you act as a financial lifeguard, ensuring your client's financial well-being through life's unfortunate circumstances. This role offers great flexibility, the potential for high earnings, and the opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives. Interestingly, insurance as a concept is over 4,000 years old. Insurance agents can earn between $11,000 and $170,000 per year. The best part is that you do not need a college degree or previous experience to enter this field. However, as it is a sales role, having sales skills is important. This job earns a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Next, we have the position of a tax preparer. This role involves assisting individuals and businesses in accurately preparing and filing their taxes. Tax preparers are commonly employed by accounting firms, tax preparation companies, and sometimes work independently. They earn between $46,000 and $69,000 per year. Often, this can be a seasonal role, with hiring peaks during busy periods like tax season. To succeed, you need to be detail-oriented, good with numbers, proficient in Excel, have strong communication skills, and be familiar with the tax system. This job is relatively easy to enter without a college degree or previous experience, earning it an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is the role of a placement coordinator. This person matches candidates with suitable job opportunities and organizes the recruitment process. They focus on finding the right fit for both the company and the employee. Placement coordinators are typically hired by staffing agencies, educational institutions, and large corporations with ongoing recruitment needs. They earn between $46,000 and $74,000 per year. This career involves constant interaction with people, but most, if not all, of it can be done remotely. To excel in this role, you need to be a good judge of character. It is relatively easy to get into without a college degree or previous experience, earning it an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Next is the role of a remote solar consultant. This position involves educating potential customers about the benefits of solar energy, guiding them through the decision-making process, and recommending suitable products. This is a sales job, and like many sales roles, it can be highly lucrative. Solar consultants typically earn between $155,000 and $282,000 per year. This job is more challenging to secure without any sales experience. So if you're new to sales, I recommend starting with a different career and then moving into higher-level roles like this one. One good entry-level option is tech sales, specifically the role of a sales development representative. Sales jobs are highly valuable experiences, and you can feel good about working in solar consulting because solar energy is beneficial for the environment. I give this job a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Now let's discuss the role of a sales development representative. This job involves making initial contact with potential customers, qualifying them for the product, and handing them off to an account executive or closer. If the customer signs a contract, you receive a percentage of the contract value. Some companies combine outreach and closing in this role, but typically, you start with just the outreach. SDRs earn between $87,000 and $153,000 per year. This role is more accessible and easier to land, so I give it a 9.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is the role of a finance associate. Finance associates work remotely to manage clients' financial needs, process policies, and support team training. These roles are frequently available in financial institutions, consulting firms, and corporate finance departments. Finance associates typically earn between $63,000 and $100,000 per year. While this role typically requires a degree, it often does not require previous experience. Many ambitious individuals start in roles like this and aim to rise into higher-level positions later on. I give this job a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is a property and casualty producer. This role involves remotely connecting with clients to set up appointments and address their insurance-related needs. These positions are primarily found in insurance agencies and brokerage firms. In this role, you can earn between $64,000 and $116,000 per year. Although it's relatively easy to secure this job, It's slightly more challenging than some others. I give this role a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is a remote audio data collector. This job plays a crucial role in refining voice assistant technology by recording sentences in various car setups or other noisy environments. The goal is to enhance voice command systems like Siri. Remote audio data collectors earn between $68,000 and $126,000 per year. This is a relatively new job, only around for a few years. I give this role a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is a fun one, remote chess tutor. If you're skilled at chess or even at an intermediate level, you could make a good chess tutor or coach. Chess tutors typically earn between $65,000 and $118,000 per year. Some people make a full-time income from this, while others do it part-time, earning $400 to $500 a month. Surprisingly, chess tutors often make more than professional chess players. While this job may not be suitable for everyone, it's an interesting option. I give it a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is an appointment generator. This role involves reaching out to potential clients, often through cold calling, emailing, or messaging, to create opportunities for the sales team and set up calls with them. This job is essential in various industries, from tech to healthcare. Appointment generators earn between $61,000 and $111,000 per year. You do not need previous experience or a college degree for this role. I give this job a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is a junior systems manager. This role involves optimizing IT systems and ensuring seamless operation while providing essential support for the company's technology systems. Many IT-related roles are easy to get into, typically not requiring a college degree, just tech-savvy skills. Junior systems managers earn between $68,000 and $121,000 per year. If you enjoy tech-related activities, this could be a great fit for you. I give this role a 9.5 out of 10 opportunity score due to the numerous opportunities available in IT. Lastly, we have an insurance verification representative. This role involves verifying the credentials of customers applying for insurance-related services and ensuring their eligibility before passing them on to an insurance agent. Insurance verification representatives earn between $37,000 and $51,000 per year. This job is easy to land, does not require a college degree or previous experience, and serves as a good entry point into the insurance industry. I give this role an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.